new camera. So it's a new year, and it is, let's try this again. Okay, clap, clap, clap. New camera, new year, 2023, and we have the DJI Ronin 4D 6K model, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. Full disclosure, all out of my pocket, and I am freaking because it's a lot of money, but it's a lot of camera also. And I've recently been shooting with it over the past 3 days or so, and I'm very, very impressed with it. And my friends are shocked that I'm moving away from a Sony ecosystem, but I am keeping my FX3, which is filming this right now, hopefully filming it, yes, and some of my audio, and then I'm going to make some hard decisions and sell some of the stuff that I have that's a little bit older, like my Sony a7 III, and the gimbals, the DJI gimbals that I have a couple of those, including not the 3 but the 2, RS2, that I've been shooting on for a minimal amount of time because I really didn't need a lot of gimbal work. I've been doing a lot of static work. So this is the Ronin 4D 6K, and I'm pretty impressed with it, to be honest. The weight is phenomenal, especially to have it in front of you, but there's some things that I'm going to do to alleviate a lot of back pain, and one of them is I have the Steadicam vest and arm, and I'm going to go ahead and set that up so that I can use it with this and have it out probably within the next week. Today's the first day that I've been off from my real job, and I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately simply because I'm recovering from double pneumonia, and I've been, in my own words, pretty sick. So, you know, that's something that you got to take care of yourself, especially that I'm coming up on my 61st birthday, and I'm no spring chicken anymore. Okay, so as far as stability goes, this is probably much more stable than any DJI gimbal that I've ever shot with. I don't get those micro jitters with this camera that I have with using the DJIs, and I'm just overall really, really impressed with the build quality of this, the weight, the usability, and it's just a very comfortable camera, even for the weight, to go ahead and use. And we'll bring it up a little closer here. The grips are very nice, very comfortable to use, and the color monitor is wonderful. The only thing I did not get with this was the high bright monitor, remote monitor, and that will be coming because I had just recently bought the Holy Land monitor systems, the Mars M1 monitor system, and they're really good, and I like using them on my FX3, but with this, I probably would like to have the capability of having the what they call, I think, far sight monitor or the remote monitor. Just a really nice setup. Has a 1 terabyte external drive, and I think Okay. So it didn't like the fact that it was sitting on that case. Just a really cool camera in general. And I'm looking forward to doing some corporate work with it. Product demo work and the like. And we'll see where we go from there. I don't know what I'm doing here. There we go. So let's see. Okay, so this has sensors on the bottom of it and on the front, and it noticed that if it was going to lower this fourth axis that it would be hitting this, and it didn't do it, which is pretty neat. Still a lot to figure out in regards to the little nitty gritties on it, like audio and the lenses that I have. Supposedly my micro SLR cinema lenses are supposed to fit on here, but I haven't been able to get them to mount because of the clearance, so I got to look at that a little bit. In general, for the few days that I've been shooting with it, extremely clear. The color science is great. It's a full frame, mirrorless, and similar to what I'm used to shooting with. And it's just a matter of getting things dialed in. I think it'll be an easier camera for me to shoot with than the FX3 and a gimbal, with having to carry all that stuff around and balance every time that I get on site. This is a pretty nice right out of the box type of shooter, even though it takes a little bit of time for it to boot. But it is a camera that you buy to be in a controlled environment of a set, that sort of thing. Really neat, really neat. I'm happy to have it, and it's going to be shooting with me for a little while at the price that I paid for it, so it's going to be hanging around. Thank you everyone for stopping by, watching my channel. Again, 2023, new camera, new year, new shooting style, and I hope you stay with me and enjoy my journey of fun with photography and videography. For those that are already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you aren't subscribed, please think about hitting that subscribe button and the like button. It keeps the channel rolling because, frankly, it's a lot of money out of my pocket. I don't make any money from the channel. I'm too small. But I do enjoy sharing the kind of stuff that I do and the equipment that I buy with all of you. Have a great day, everyone. Take care and be safe. How about be healthy and safe? That sounds better.